Revealed during the Sahand 2025 military exercises, Iran's jet-powered Hadid 110 stealth UAV highlights Tehran's shift toward high-speed precision strike drones designed to penetrate layered air defenses and compress adversary reaction timelines. Iran's official unveiling of the Hadid 110 stealth strike unmanned aerial vehicle marks a consequential inflection point in the evolution of Tehran's unmanned warfare doctrine, signaling a deliberate shift from mass-produced attritable drones toward higher performance, speed-centric platforms designed to compress enemy reaction cycles and erode the effectiveness of layered air defense architectures across the Middle East. Revealed publicly during the high-visibility Sahand 2025 military exercises, the Hadid 110 was presented by the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC, as Iran's fastest stealth-configured combat drone to date, capable of exceeding 500 kilometers per hour and engineered to operate within heavily contested airspaces, where slower loitering munitions have increasingly proven vulnerable. The introduction of this jet-powered UAV occurs amid an intensifying regional security environment stretching from the Persian Gulf to the Levant, where drone warfare has transitioned from a supplementary capability into a central instrument of deterrence, coercion, and strategic signaling. Iranian state narratives have characterized the Hadid 110 as a transformational leap for asymmetric warfare, yet the absence of independent performance verification has generated a spectrum of assessments ranging from cautious admiration to analytical skepticism among global defense observers. What remains strategically undeniable, however, is that the Hadid 110 reflects Iran's evolving understanding of modern air defense ecosystems, particularly the increasing need to combine speed, partial stealth, and precision strike effects to offset adversaries' numerical and technological advantages. By unveiling the platform within a multinational military exercise involving members and observers of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, Tehran ensured that the Hadid 110's debut was as much a geopolitical statement as it was a technical demonstration. The Sahand 2025 drills in Iran's East Azerbaijan province featured participation from Russia, China, India, Pakistan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, and Belarus, with observers from Saudi Arabia, Oman, Azerbaijan, and Iraq, creating a rare forum in which Iran could simultaneously address allies, competitors, and potential export partners. Within this multinational context, the live demonstration of the Hadid 110 underscored Tehran's intent to frame its drone program not as an offensive destabilizer, but as a sovereign deterrent capability integrated into counterterrorism and defensive precision strike doctrines. Iran's messaging during the exercises emphasized the UAV's suitability for operations against high-value targets, such as radar installations, command nodes, and critical infrastructure, aligning closely with the IRGC's long-standing emphasis on anti-access and area denial strategies. Yet beyond narrative framing, the Hadid 110's appearance highlights a deeper recalibration within Iran's military-industrial strategy, one that increasingly prioritizes qualitative enhancements over sheer numerical saturation. At the core of the Hadid 110's operational promise lies its propulsion system, which Iranian disclosures describe as a compact jet engine enabling sustained speeds exceeding 500 kilometers per hour, with some claims reaching approximately 517 kilometers per hour. This performance envelope places the Hadid 110 in a fundamentally different category from Iran's widely deployed propeller-driven loitering munitions, such as the Shahed 136, which typically cruise at around 185 kilometers per hour. The strategic logic behind this speed differential is clear, as higher velocity significantly reduces detection to intercept windows, placing additional stress on air defense command and control loops.